Okay, so guys, let's start with the journal entries. Mr. Ajit, please share your screen. Mr. Javed, these are those 350 transactions, the regular transactions, which we have to record into the we can say in QuickBooks. These are the practical transactions, and they have various steps like basic transactions, advanced transactions, inventory related transactions, and customer and vendor related transactions. Okay, so
Hi, Umesh. Can you share the
Mr. Ajit, your voice is not coming
can
proper.
No, sir, I did not talk
you
anything.
share the PDF
Mr.
of
Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary,
the
Mr. Chaudhary, your voice is not coming. Mr. Chaudhary, you are supposed to say
Yeah,
something.
yeah, Chaudhary here.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to say
Can you?
something?
Yeah, yeah. Can you send the PDF? Hello,
Yeah,
He's
sure.
asking to
hello.
send the PDF.
Can you send the PDF right now?
Yeah,
Can you send the
sure. Just,
PDF? PDF.
yeah, yeah,
Am I
just
audible?
a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a
Hello.
minute.
Can you send the PDF?
मम्मी पानी दे दो हाँ
Okay, so you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now let's proceed with that.
Thank
तभी ठंडा था पानी इसी में डाल के रखा था Who is sharing the screen today?
Mr. Ajit, please start.
Sure, sir.
Please share the screen.
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are. Mr. Ajit, before starting the session, you must have to log in into QuickBooks file, so in that way we can
Yes, sir.
save the time.
So the first transaction is record the owner's initial investment of $50,000 into the business.
Okay, first of all, Mr. Ajit, you have to tell me, or not to me, to everyone, what should be the JV, and then you have to record it, and using which module you are recording, either invoice or JV or bank deposit or bank transfer, whatever.
No, we need to record it as a JV, capital account data to That owner's name.
Record the owner's initial investment of 50,000 into the business. Okay.
Okay.
It's a share capital. So first we have to create a owner account on
That is
share capital.
owner's equity already there. In
Oh,
chart of account, stakeholders and share capital, I think that's already created.
oh.
Sir, I need to create a capital now.
First of all, you can check what are the accounts available under the equity in chart of accounts. Only after that you need to create it. Not here in chart of account. Please go to the chart of account and check what are the GL are available. You can see those accounts at the bottom. These are
I think
categorized.
सेकंड जो हमारा वो है कॉलम उसकी हेडिंग से आप फिल्टर लगाइए.
Yes, equity is gone. Equity is gone.
हाँ, यहाँ से अकाउंट टाइप से
Just
हाँ,
just a minute.
इसमें आप फिल्टर लगाएंगे तो आपको कैपिटल मिल जाएगा. उमेश, इट्स बेटर कि आप स्क्रीन का वो ले लें, एक्सेस ले लें.
Yeah, I just took equity account, retainer and opening balance equity. Okay, we don't have any other account as of now. Under the equity, we have only two accounts: opening balance equity and return earning. Return earning is just a carry forward of previous year's profit or loss, and opening balance equity, whatever the capital of the previous year, that's a carry forward.
तो अगर हमें करंट इक्विटी करना है तो उसमें हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah, that's available. So now, how would you like to create that as a contribution, partner's contribution, or owner's contribution? So you can create like that.
इट इज ऑनर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन आई गेस. वो
Yeah.
मेंशन तो जेवी में यही था.
Right. So here we are going with that. And Mr. Javed, I hope you don't mind with the English, right? Yeah, how you are chartered accountant, so you won't mind. Just confirming with you.
No, but Jammu Kashmir people are very well aware with the English and Hindi also, I guess.
Okay, so owner's equity, right?
Yes.
Or we have another option, contribution. It should be there. Partners distribution. Paid capitals are partners contribution. Yeah.
I think it is owner's
Owner's equity, na?
Owner's equity, yes.
Right? Equity, owner's equity, save and close. Now we have one account. And now, what that transaction says, owner bring the amount into the business, but it is
initial investment of 50,000 into the
initial
business.
investment of 50,000 into the business. So how it comes? But always through bank,
Yes. So
right?
it will be
So-
bank to
Yes.
share capital.
Yeah, so we have to record bank deposit rather than JV.
Okay.
Okay, so please open that bank
It
deposit.
is a transaction. It's a cash
Yeah,
and bank transaction.
yeah. From the bank deposit on a fifth column, second number row. Whenever you guys you have a time, just click on that plus new and check which transaction available under which columns.
Okay.
Receipt form, here we have to mention the name of
ABC is our customer.
जस्ट मस्त नाम लिख दो, मिस्टर अजीत गणेश.
Sir,
नया क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा ना वो तो.
Yeah, you need to create a new, click on
हम्म.
it, and here you have to select employee, not customer or vendor. Here you have to select employee. Okay.
okay.
Sir, why we are selecting the
ये
employee?
ये एम्प्लॉय नहीं होगा ना, ये तो ओनर
Not
होगा.
employee is
But
owner.
no, we have only three options: customers, vendors, and employee. Okay. Either you can take customers, but owner is not customer. So vendor, so owner is not a vendor. But yeah, employee, you are paying to them, kind of salary or anything. So in that way, we are taking this name. I know it's owner, but that option is not available there. You can type your name, Mr. Ajit. Last name also, last name also, last name also. Whenever you create or fill a form, just make sure everything is fill up properly.
Okay.
Okay, here, owner's equity.
Bonus contribution.
Yeah. To check amount
2000.
50,000.
What is this class?
Class means if you have multiple departments and if you want to manage income and expense department wise or particular expense, just we say as example, as we routinely take it, we are paying salary and you have multiple department: accounts department, IT department, R&D department, HR department, production department. So you are spending how much amount on which department, you can easily identify that. And now just a minute, close it. This is from here we are getting error. Okay, so here
Okay.
we have to create one department, and that is corporate. So whatever it is not related to any other department, we just add into under the corporate. Okay, here save and close.
I think Javed, it is for the department and it is for the profit center also.
We can run our profit and loss account by department. I mean by class. So in that way we can see how it is going. Mr. Ajit, you have recorded enough transaction into this system,
So some transactions I need to record.
but have you assigned classes to them?
Yes, sir, for some I have assigned.
Or else we can see that into the sample also, na?
Yeah.
Sample
But if you go
company
with the
data.
sample file, so what will happen? ये सब चला जाएगा then. Again, we have to log out and log in.
हाँ नहीं, मैं वैसे बता रही हूँ, अगर किसी को
Yeah, else
पर्सनली
we can see.
हाँ तो
See,
देख सकते.
Mr. Jawad, see here you can see. There is whatever expense we have made or income, there's a class development. There are two types of development he has created, and it's a
Deployment.
deployment and development. Wow. And late fee it's a class he has created, and whatever the transaction where we haven't assigned any class, so those are coming under this category, not specified. Okay, and this is the total. So that is the reason. Let's have an example. We have this account department, this is IT department, this is production department, this is HR department. So in this way, we can identify how much amount we have spent to which class. Okay, so this is the reason to manage books by class. Yeah, please, Mr. Ajit, go ahead.
Purchase office supplies on account for 1,500.
So it will create an asset. Office supplies, no, it is an expense. Expense. कौन से एक्सपेंस के कैटेगरी में आप इसे डाल रहे हैं?
It's a utility or what is that?
Supplies of
Office
1500.
supply. Office supply. See, you can create a new account, office supply, under general and admin expenses. Expense.
उसी में आ रहा है एक्सपेंस, नीचे नीचे जाइए। हाँ, और नीचे ये देखिए एक्सपेंस। अब इसमें नीचे कैटेगरी दीजिए, एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड उसको हटा के
यहाँ पे मिश्रा
डिटेल
जी,
टाइप में, डिटेल टाइप में।
Priyanka, English version. Okay, under the detail type, you need to select office and journal.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, office and journal. And now here you can write office supply. Just save and close. And you all guys are requested to work on that Google Drive file which I shared with you. And I'm going to share again the URL of that. You need to create chart of account
Another
into
account is
the
already using this.
into the QuickBooks file.
गूगल ड्राइव पर शेयर किया है?
Let me just in this chat I'm going to share you. Whoever is not able to access, just send request. I'll approve right away.
Okay, give me a moment. I'll open that link first.
Yeah, everyone please hit on
हाँ,
that link.
हो गया।
Yeah.
fine.
Mr. Javed, are you able to access that? Guys, there's a background voice, so can you please control that? Okay, not here. Go to the first file, COA, chart of accounts. Okay, here you can see the chart of account structure, the structured chart of account, including balance sheet item and profit and loss item.
So we have to create that. We have to create that chart of account in our books, and after that we have to do the entries. You are saying?
Yeah, no, this is just a standard structure of a chart of account which you need to create into the system.
Okay.
Okay, and if you already created that, then no need to do it.
No, I have to create it. I'll create it by
I already
tomorrow.
created this.
No, I
Yeah,
have to
tomorrow,
create.
tomorrow you can do it, not an issue. And
Okay.
keep this in your, we can say in your collection, because this gonna be useful for you in future also.
Okay. Is Javed is not in meeting right now?
Not sure.
No, I think he left.
Yeah, okay, so we four are here, it's okay. So let's continue with the next. You can close this.
The office supplies is of $5,000 or $2,000?
$1,500.
1,500. Okay. Put in 15 debit में and to bank. No, vendor का नाम है तो vendor नहीं तो bank.
There is no vendor here. Sir,
So
in this thing,
have you
like, both debit and credit in one thing or two different line items?
क्रेडिट में इधर या तो बैंक जाएगा नहीं तो वेंडर जाएगा?
Yeah, this is a cash payment now. We have creditor.
Yeah, please do it. Mr. Ajit, try to enter class for every transaction. This is office supply, so make it corporate. Okay?
Okay. Rupees per thousand and rent for office.
The same transactions, the cash transactions.
Received 5,000 from a customer for service rendered.
What's the name you have type over on top?
Sir, XYS, sir.
No, don't do that. What's the type of action? It's just a
No,
uh,
received 5,000 from a customer for the service
hmm.
rendered.
Okay, the name of the customer. You can write any name of customers. Be specific rather than going with ABC or XYZ, so that or else that will create confusion. You can just type Tata Group or Mahindra or any group. You should be like नाम याद रहना चाहिए थे. We should remember the name. Wait. Revenue?
Sir, received,
Re-
sir,
Received.
from a
What you are
customer.
from a
Received
customer? Okay. No,
5,000
so
from a
no.
customer
So
for services rendered.
for the services rendered, that means you already provided the services, right?
Yes.
So you are just reckoning direct to the income account. So why you haven't created any chart of account as of now?
Sir, I have
You,
created some accounts.
where are those? Okay, these are no. Okay, right. You can select anything.
Like there is no, I did not classify it as direct and indirect income.
You
Like
can
revenue.
just select services. You can select service and either. Yeah, you can check it as a product name. That's fine.
Service revenue.
Yeah.
Received 5,000. So, pay 5,000 for utility bills.
You need to record this as an expense. That's fine. Okay.
Paid 500.
So from this lecture, you can understand key which form module means either we have to use check or either we have to use expense or JV or which type of transaction model we have to select.
Okay.
You all guys are aware about the transactions. You know you all aware about the JV also.
Yes.
What you need to learn? You need to learn the type of module which you have to select to record the transaction. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go with the next one. Purchasing
Purchase
equipment.
equipment
Yeah. Okay.
worth 10,000, paying 4,000 in cash and the rest on credit. So this means it is a fixed asset, right?
Yeah. So first of all, you have to record bill. Okay.
Okay.
Because you are purchasing assets of 10,000.
Yes, sir. We purchased an equipment worth 10,000.
Okay. By paying 4,000 in cash. So first of all, you have to record bill of 10,000. Then
We need to
payment
record
of
cash payment.
4,000. Yeah. And remaining balance will be there in a chart of accounts. No, not through JV. You can go with bill. Well, first you have received 10,000 bill.
Purchase he's saying purchase transaction.
Yeah, purchase transactions.
So can I keep computers and equipment?
Yeah, you have to take a computer equipment, right?
1,000. Sir, he said cash, so we need to give through bank or directly through cash.
You can type anything, check or cash. The the main concept is the concept should be clear in your mind. And
Okay.
how much amount you have paid?
Like we paid 4,000 rupees, but he said he specifically maintained that 4,000 in cash.
Yeah. So you can type you can post the transaction of 4,000 payment as cash.
Can I go through bank deposit or directly through
No,
PayBill?
see, bank deposits is when you receive payment from a customer and you deposit that amount into bank. At that time,
Okay.
you can use the bank deposit. Na?
Hmm.
That is the payment bill. So pay bill. Okay, and here you have to select this customer and you have, how much amount you are paying? 4,000.
4,000.
Type here 4,000. Okay. And what is the payment account?
Citibank.
Make Citibank. Okay.
Okay.
That's a simple one. Yes.
Schedule payment.
and we have 7 crores. When we have an option to for the bank integration over here, so we can schedule the payment also. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to check the status of that vendor. From where you have to go, did you make it bookmark? No. Expense and
Vendors.
vendor bookmark, then sales and customer bookmark. So here we have both. So in this account, you can see we have purchased 10,000, payment made 4,000, remaining balance left as 6,000.
6,000.
Okay, so this is the
Okay.
transaction. Please go ahead with next.
Recorded depreciation expense of 1,000 for equipment.
So it is JV.
Depreciation
It's a
expense
JV.
of 1,000.
Depreciation to asset हो जाएगा ना वो.
Yeah, depreciation to accumulated
Yes.
depreciation.
हाँ. Type depreciation.
वो depreciation account at आप
हाँ,
इसमें
एक वो accumulated depreciation में ही जाएगा ना.
But please type accumulated depreciation. Is it over there or not?
That is I'm trying to say. Or either you have to type if it is not.
You can just type here. Mr. Ajit, you need to just type here. Okay, so you will get all the accounts. So no
Yeah.
need to go with here you can see furniture and fixtures. Which account you have selected?
किस पे बोला है उन्होंने? मेरे ख्याल से कंप्यूटर्स पे था या किस पे था?
Yeah,
इक्विपमेंट्स पे था ना?
I have gone with computers.
हाँ,
Computer.
तो
So
नीचे
here it
वाला.
is. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will see what is the effect of that. Just record the transaction, and then after this we will go into the balance sheet to see the actual result.
एसेट का वैल्यू कम हो जाएगा.
Please assign the class every time. Don't ignore it. Make it corporate.
एसेट का वैल्यू कम हो जाएगा और पीएनएल में डेप्रिसिएशन दिखाएगा ये.
Yeah, but in the balance sheet we will have like a main account. We just wanted to show how it is look like.
Yes, we can.
Please create all and run report. Okay, you can see computer equipment 10,000, accumulated 1,000, and net of 9,000.
Net 9,000 दिख रहा है.
Okay, so this is the scenario how it looks like when you record the transactions.
और
Got it,
पीएनएल भी
guys?
चेक कर, पीएनएल में भी चेक कर लो, आपको दिख जाएगा.
Yeah, under the P&L you can see.
As an expenditure.
Yeah, that is the depreciation. Go to the reports and allow me 2 minutes. Just a minute, I'm coming back.
Just type here profit and loss and the report by name. We get profit and loss account.
What's the transaction you are referring to?
Sorry, I have entered the depreciation one and we have checked in balance sheet. It said that I will show it
Yeah.
in P&L account. You asked.
Yeah,
You said
yeah, just type here profit and loss. Yeah, okay. Here you can check it. I'll just change the period of that. There's the depreciation. Here it is.
depreciation.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So shall we move to the next, Mr. Javed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Pay 3,000 for employee salaries. Salary and wages, payroll expense, both are same. Okay. So just if you have account in as a in your chart of account as a payroll expense, so you need to record into that. But payroll expense contains salary, wages, and payroll taxes of employer. The payroll expense is a header under that salary, wages, and payroll taxes of employer. So what's that account you have? Okay. No, what are you doing, Mr. Ajit? This is item. This is inventory item. You have to go with this category items. At the bottom, it is showing product and services. Type salary and wages. Do you have that account?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Yeah. So please go ahead with that.
3,000. Yes,
Just
sir, we
go.
received here.
Yeah. Fine. So once you realize and recognize where the transactions are going, then you are good to go with everything. Even when you do or what we say review of balance sheet and profit and loss, at that time you should be aware about what are the effects of all the transactions which you are posting right now. Only after that you are able to do review. So
Receive an
received
invoice.
invoice of $250 from vendor for inventory purchase. So now you have to record a bill which should have inventory
2,500.
transaction. You don't have any vendor?
I have, sir, but I'm creating the new one.
Okay, fine. Enter the bill number. And create payment terms as a due in 120 days. You don't have it.
15 days.
No. You have to take 120 days.
120 days.
Yeah, how are we gonna do that? Okay. Due in 120 days. You have to write like that. Due.
NEW.
DUE, not new. DUE. Due in 120 days. Okay, so here you learn the practice of how to create payment terms also.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Mr. Ajit, I can recognize that you haven't completed your previous task.
No, sir, only few entries I have done, sir.
No, so the why I'm unable to see any product. Just a minute. This is the chart of accounts account. Here, there's only the product, but we can't see any single product. So you haven't created any product yet. Uh, no issue. Let's go with the product creation. We'll check it later.
आपने चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट में नंबर ऑफ नेम ऑफ वेंडर्स और नेम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स दिए हैं क्या? हम अगर हम क्रिएट करेंगे चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट तो उसमें कुछ एग्जांपल्स के नंबर ऑफ वेंडर्स और ये है कि किस किस उसमें हमें और किस क्लास के अंदर वेंडर क्रिएट करना है। उमेश सर म्यूट हो गए। हेलो,
So can I create or are you creating?
नो ही इज ऑन म्यूट।
You can create any product.
Okay.
In the product section, let me explain few things. This is add new service. Service in this either it is a inventory item or service,
Okay.
any kind of inventory. So first of all, we have to record basic info. Then this product we are selling. So what should be the selling price, their class or their description? And if we are purchasing this product from anyone, so we can record purchase uh, assets also here.
Okay.
So let's go with the first one, basic info. Here we are like adding what are the products
Can
we
I-
are adding?
So can we add product or service?
Yeah. Yeah, no, inventory means service. Inventory means product.
Okay.
The transaction clearly says we have purchased inventory from the vendor. So you have to write inventory. Just to write down wooden pallets.
Pardon me, sir, I didn't get it.
वुडन
Wooden.
पैलेट्स। हाँ,
This is inventory part.
Inventory item.
Yeah, inventory item. Okay. Here we can assign SKU also, but we are not using that. That's required when we have multiple or we have a huge number of items where it is required to track by SKU.
So what
Uh,
is this SKU?
SKU like we can say uh,
Is this
keep something
tagging
like
of
that.
the product?
No, something like a stock keeping unit, something like that. Stock keeping unit, the name. When you have like more than 50 or 100 type of inventories, so you can create SKU. And if you remember, when you go with the Amazon or Flipkart, you can see the name SKU also in products,
Yeah.
स्टॉक कीपिंग यूनिट।
right? There's the stock keeping unit
यस,
because it is coming over there. So we don't need as of now, but if it is required to maintain hundreds of inventory together, so at that time we have to use this. And over there, you can manage like inventory consumptions also. You have to manage the inventory consumption inward and outward, and either you can use the FIFO method or LIFO method or average method. So different kind of things are there. At the time you can use it. If you are going in a depth in inventory, so at the time you need to use it. Else you can just ignore it.
Okay.
And category. So what kind of category it is? So we can make it category packing. Not packing, that is packaging. Okay, and class we can assign or we can uh, create a new one. Whenever you purchase, that's the class is production. Now this is all basic info about the product. Now inventory info. What was the quantity on the date when we create this? When we create this account, we can make it 0. If you remember, this was not here before. As when we were creating a service, this tab was not here. And as
Yes.
when we select instead of service, when we select inventory,
Inventory.
it comes like this. Okay, so inventory info we have to okay. Reseller point. Reorder point. So you guys aware about what is reorder point?
Yes.
Whenever the stock is below the minimum level, it's will order.
And
At
how you
this level,
determine how you determine the minimum level? How you calculate that?
हम यहाँ पे एक रेंज फिक्स कर देते हैं, एक अमाउंट एक क्वांटिटी फिक्स कर देते हैं, जैसे वो इस क्वांटिटी को हिट करेगा या तो वो अपने आप रीऑर्डर एंड
But
कर देगा.
yeah, that is my ask. जो आप कह रहे हो कि आप you gonna fix one quantity. So
हाँ.
who can
हाँ.
decide that fixed quantity or certain quantity?
सिस्टम
What is
डिसाइड
the
कर.
no, not system can decide.
Economic or order quantity on the base of economic consumption base.
Right. See, in a practical term, if we are going, we have 7,000 unit in our stock. Our daily consumption is
Economic
1,000
quantity.
unit.
हम्म.
So we can consume this, we can utilize this 7,000 unit in next 7 days. But now, if we place the order to the vendor and we are getting that supplies in 4 days. Okay, so our reorder point is 4,000. How it is 4,000? Because see, today is Friday. Okay,
4 दिन का स्टॉक आपको मंगाना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि 4 दिन बाद डिलीवरी होगी, तो उन 4 दिन का क्या
right.
करोगे?
So we have to keep that 4,000 stock as our reorder point level. Plus
Yes.
2 or 3 days extra you can keep. That is not mandatory, but you can make as a journal calculation. But 4 days, that is the minimum. So 1,000 multiplied by 4, so 4,000 can be your reorder point. So as and when it reaches to 4,000, you just place the order. So in next 4 days, you can have it. Got it? So that we
Yes.
have to decide reorder point. Mr. Ajit, in each and every point, things are there to learn. Okay. So let's make it 200 unit. Inventory account, inventory assets. Okay. So it is the inventory info. Now, how we gonna sell this product? What should be the description of this wooden palace? Just we can say size by 84
Okay.
to 84. Okay. Now price we can set how much what's the amount of that invoice? I mean that purchase. Can we open that PDF? Just a minute. We have to record inventory purchase of 2500, right?
2,500.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go with that again. 2500. So if we count 50 units, so it's 500. So we are going to sell at $750. Income, sales of product income. Rather than we can create here income, sales of product income. That is fine. But here packaging items. Taxable standard rate, we are going to make it non-taxable because we don't want to involve tax as of now into this.
No.
Okay. And price rules you have made. Why did you make enable price rules?
Sir, it's not enabled there.
It's all
They're not-
enable. Yeah, it's enable. And so you won't see the here. You can see what is price rules, how it works. You can set certain discount to the specific customers, not for alls.
Okay.
And that is as of now on a beta level in QuickBooks, and that is why I'm not going to teach you.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll make it disable from account setting later on. So this is our sales details. Now our purchase details. Uh, Again, wooden pallets. We are going to purchase. Sorry, oh, we have mentioned here wrong. 750. We are not going to select the preferred vendor. Save and close. So here you can get. Now we have to record. You can see here. The order point 200. It is showing on top. Just save and close. What is the name of vendor?
Aditya Groups.
Okay. Oh, the entire transaction is gone.
Cancel the transaction.
Just a minute. It will take not half a minute. Acha, okay. So this new transaction implemented into this. No need to record transaction manually. What you need to, you just need to upload a document here, and AI tool gonna fetch all the details from this document on from the left side and fill up your form. It seems like they are not allowing any user to record the transactions. Okay, we have recorded this one. So let's go with the next. Record customer payment of 754 service to be provided next week. We are receiving 7,500 from the customer. But against what they are not mentioning, but they are
Advance from
saying,
customer.
yeah, right? So what we have to do?
Services to be provided in the next month.
Sorry?
Which service? But they said service to be provided in next month, but which service?
Any services. You can
It can
just
be any service. Currently,
yeah.
Ah.
We have option over there, like a service.
So we don't have like advance receipt.
You are recording transaction in a wrong way. Or just a minute. Type here accounts receivable. Okay. Now check that customer account. The amount was 7,500. Okay.
Okay, minus.
Yeah. Go ahead with the next one. These are the advanced transaction.
Purchase of vehicle.
Record the purchase of vehicle, $20,000, paying
Hmm.
5,000 in cash and financing the rest.
Yeah. So how many parties are involved into these transactions?
एक ही पार्टी है
Though there are two. The first one is
Purchase,
from where you are purchasing, and the second one is who is financing. So you need
record
to
the
have
purchase of a vehicle of 20,000
right.
paying
Okay. So
5,000 in cash and financing the rest.
yeah, so financing the rest. So entity is there, na? Corporate entity is there who is financing the amount. You are purchasing worth
ठीक
twenty
है, got it,
thousand
got it.
dollar.
I got it.
Okay.
no,
So it's a kind of like we are taking the loan from someone.
Yes, right.
Yeah. In that case, first we have to book a bill.
First we have to create a vendor and then book a bill and then we have to
Yes.
make payment of 5,000 and we have to
Create a new vendor. Create a new
uh,
vendor. Okay. नया प्रोडक्ट आप खरीद रहे हो
it's not a product, like it is a fixed asset. Vehicle.
purchase of
Yeah.
vehicle, it's a fixed asset.
Yes, fixes.
correct. You have to create a new one.
Create a new one into the fixed asset under the fixed assets. Fixed assets. Now go to the detail type.
Mr. Ajit, every
Sir,
time when you go to the account type, then you have to go to the detail type.
okay.
Go to the detail type. Yeah.
First, now you have to choose what type of fixed asset it is. Is a machine.
Not a
Equipments. Vehicles.
Vehicle at
नीचे,
last.
नहीं. Yes. Now you can put motor car or whatever. No need for the description. Yes.
In the description, you have to mention the entire line. Just copy and paste it.
This one.
Yeah.
Record the purchase of vehicle. Financing you don't need to put.
No, then let him put it. So in that way, in the future, when we do review of particular fixed asset, we will be aware. We will be so we'll get the idea about like the rest of amount was finance. Yeah, go with the corporate.
Can I create this one also now? Financing vendor name.
Financing means finance company. Like
Yes.
just like if you are purchasing anything like a vehicle, so down payment you are paying and rest of the amount financed by the finance company.
Now you have to make the payment to the vendor of 5,000.
No, why you have selected transfer? Transfer when you do transfer from one bank account to another bank account. At that
Okay.
time, you have to select bank transfer. Okay, so as of now, you have to make the payment to the vendor. So how, what we have to? No, wait.
Here I will keep
Yeah,
like
okay, yeah, you
make
need
a
to go.
payment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
make payment.
make
Okay,
payment of
yeah,
5,000.
right. Hmm.
Safe. Now you have to create a loan entry.
Now you have to record the payment through JV, AP, loan payable credit, and a vendor debit. Or what you can do, you can make a bank deposit.
Yes,
Okay,
because we have to finance it first, na?
yeah, you got finance.
Can I create here, sir?
No, you don't have to create a customer here. It is not the payment from the customer. It is a loan from the customer, loan from the bank.
Loan, that means that no, wait. It's your vendor. It's your vendor, not it's your customer or employee. It's your vendor. So
Vendor.
create under vendors. Yes. Okay, just write down budget finance.
Do you give any like default category here?
Loan, put a category loan there. Yes.
No.
Fund.
I think this is the default category expenses.
No, it is not expense. It is a loan that we are taking from the bank. So it is a liability. Under the head liability, the accounting should fall.
I know this is a liability, but I'm trying to say that this is a default expenses category. So we do not need to put here something.
Where you are
No,
saying
no, it is here, yes.
it is showing a default expense.
Expenses.
No need to
We did
enter
not
over.
put anything here. Where to?
It is related to when. See, let me tell you. It has different kind of segments.
Yes. The thing is, when you are taking the loan, it is not from the
Type of
vendor.
no, but it's your vendor or lender. Both are same. Both are giving you money. The vendors are giving money in terms of inventories or services, and the lenders are giving money in terms of
But
hard money in your bank account.
still it is different people, and balance sheet even they are categorized differently.
Yeah,
Vendors
agreed.
are not under the short-term loans and under the long-term loans or
No, what I'm saying, this is just to create their name. We cannot, what we can do, uh,
so how it will
we,
show in
no,
balance sheet.
see, this is what I'm saying. Priyanka, what I'm saying, this is nothing to do when we go here. So there is nothing to do with the balance sheet, with this account. This is just a name. This is
We are
just
just
a name,
creating a
nothing
name.
else.
Yes.
Okay, this is just a name, nothing else.
Sir, it is under vendor, not customer.
Yeah, that I'm
Uh,
trying to say. If you are taking,
uh,
let's suppose
r- r-
15,000 rupees from bank, so you have it is a long-term liability.
Priyanka, please try to understand this is just a text box and nothing gonna happen if I do if I would I'm keeping this blank, okay? This account is this is the account, okay? This is more related to balance sheet. We have to do proper. Here you can see, okay? Now loans and everything. This is what
Yes,
I'm trying to say. Your where it is your liability, other current liabilities, okay? Now here you can see the loan payable, and here I am going to mention budget finance, okay? So this and see this is budget finance 2 for more clear picture, okay? So you will
Yes.
see this name in your balance sheet, not this one, okay? So please try to understand between to this column. This is your balance sheet item, okay? This is just for our name purpose.
yes, for the entry purpose. It's
Yeah, just
entry.
for the entry purpose,
Yeah, it's just for entry purpose.
okay? Now, how much amount is finance? 15,000,
10,000.
Yes.
okay? Even close.
Class. Corporate.
Okay, so this was just for the naming purpose, nothing else. Now let's go with the balance sheet and let's see the reports. Okay, Bajaj Finance 2 is coming, right? So the name which I have created under chart of account, it comes here, not that Bajaj Finance. That like not relevant. Either if I create under customers or vendors or employee. Okay,
Okay.
here you can see what it is coming owner's contribution. Here it is this name is not coming here. It is showing owner's contribution. So we have created that just for our name purpose. Okay. So balance sheet we whatever we create under the GL that affects to either be a P&L or balance sheet. In the name you can take anything. Even in a online QuickBooks file, we have three options: customer, vendor, and employees. In desktop version, we are getting four options: customers, vendors, others, and employees, and contractors. Okay, so that just for the name purpose, nothing else, nothing to do with that. So let's go with the next transactions.
Issue a refund of
No,
2,000.
no, no, just and okay, we have directly. What was that? Please open that that file.
Which one, sir?
That the no no QuickBooks file, the 15,000 transactions.
Sir, here it is.
Okay, please open that 15,000 transaction. Yeah, please.
अभी इससे आपको इस पैसे से आपको उसको फाइनेंस करना है तो सिंपल आप बिल पेमेंट का एंट्री डालोगे ना या जी भी आप डाल सकते हो.
Oh yeah, that's left. As of now, what we have done, we have just record the fund, and where we have
हाँ,
recorded into our bank account. So we are gonna uh where the
make
fund is
another payment.
posted. Yeah, payment is posted into Citibank. Okay. So
Yes.
now we are going to make a bill payment.
Yes.
Mr. Ajit, please make a bill payment.
डायरेक्ट वेंडर में जाके पेमेंट करो ना.
Yes, that's what I'm not getting
वो
vendor.
वेंडर में, हाँ, इधर जाके उसको सिलेक्ट कर लो, ट्रांसपोर्ट को मेक पेमेंट. यस. Samarth Transport. SRMT, sorry, not Samarth. Citibank. Now you can make the payment. Why the invoices not coming here? Why the invoice is not coming here?
Yeah, it's coming.
Now it is here. Yes. Save and close. It is already payment you have filled. Done.
It will be a refund of 200 to customer for returned goods.
कौन से कस्टमर को करना है? नाम नहीं मेंशन है तो जिसका बैलेंस पड़ा उसे ही कर दो.
No, do one thing, just record return receipt.
It will be a
In
refund
a,
of 200.
yeah, $200, okay? So just go with the return receipt. Sales, okay? Return receipt. Refund receipt.
नीचे ही आ रहा है उसमें. हाँ, ये रहा. लास्ट से
No, Mr.
कॉलम
Ajit,
1
Mr.
लास्ट से
Ajit,
4th.
Mr. Ajit, let me explain you. When you see the customers, okay, these customers, so you get all the customer related transactions.
Okay.
When you see the vendor, so all the vendor related transactions. When you see the team, that means employee. So payroll, timesheet there, employee or contractor, everyone coming here. When you go with the project, so project related transaction and others. It is the bank deposit, bank transfer, journal entry, inventory adjustment, okay, credit card payment, everything is coming here. So when we go with the customers, when we
Refund.
record refund receipt, so it is coming under here, okay, not anywhere.
wooden pallets.
Before, wait. What did you get here?
75.
Default sell set is 75. Okay. How did
Okay.
you get this? Why did you get this? You know, in accounts and setting we
Because
have
we
set
gave the
something.
yes.
They warn
Yeah.
us when we go above or below their average price.
Mm.
Understand? Okay, so just you can say 80. Okay, and how much amount is in total that? 200.
$200.
So make it 10 and 20. Okay, just 7 close. Select an account for the transaction. Payment कहाँ से करोगे? We have to refund amount. We have to select from which account you are gonna refund. Wait.
Citibank.
Sir,
From here you have to select the bank account. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, from here you can directly refund the amount.
Sir, where, sir?
So you have record refund receipt. You have recorded refund receipt. Refund receipt means sales
Refund
debit and
receipt.
bank credit. Issue a refund of 200 to a customer for
Only
returned
right.
goods. Okay, so we have written customer has returned goods to us for $200. So we have to pay them $200. So what we have done, instead of recording journal entries, we have recorded through refund receipt. Refund receipt when we record, so the JV in a backend runs like sales debit and bank credit. Okay.
paid 1,200 for
It's a
insurance.
prepaid insurance. So we have to create an asset name like general insurance for anything under the prepaid insurance, and then you have to book it.
Priyanka, I think we have done this transaction. Did we?
No,
Okay. Was there Ayush or Gurusha? Gurusha was there. Okay.
जनरल एंट्रीज तो हमने आज ही स्टार्ट किया है ना,
Hmm.
तो फिर
No,
कहाँ से
actually,
किए?
no, I have another batch with the same time, and
वो
in
आप एक साथ बहुत सारे बैच ले रहे हो अलग अलग टाइम में, तो मिक्स हो रहा है.
and in that batch I have the same kind of candidates all. सब वो कहते हैं ना कि the mastermind everyone is there. So I was thinking with that one. 1200. Okay, so what you have to do? Pay 200.
Create a
So
prepaid insurance.
yeah, okay. So what, Mr. Ajit, to record this
Sir,
transaction, you have to go with transaction and not bill. See, it's what it's saying. It is saying payment. Payment means already done.
payment.
So you have to go with the expense. Okay, you just go with the expense. Yeah, expense is a part of vendor center. Here you can select any vendor. Okay, and
Create
for
new
the
one. Create new one. Create
or,
new
or,
one.
or do one thing, create a new one.
Yes.
Yeah, create a new one.
Now you can put it general insurance
Yeah.
company, HDFC, हाँ, HDFC.
Agro. Just save.
Now you have to create a category.
Okay. What should be the
Create a
category
new
here? You have to
category.
record. Yeah, please, Priyanka, please go ahead.
Yes. Create a new category.
I think we have prepaid
Prepaid
insurance.
insurance. Yes, go to that. बट प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस में ये किस चीज का इंश्योरेंस है? प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं ना, तो यू हैव टू मेक इट स्पेसिफिक. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड क्रिएट न्यू.
Okay. Under the category, create a new one. Make
प्रीपेड
it under
एक
the prepaid.
जनरल कैटेगरी है. प्रीपेड के
Yeah.
अंदर कौन सा इंश्योरेंस है ये? गो
Sir,
टू
we have
एड
health
न्यू.
insurance.
So you can create add new, and here
यस,
you can
या
go with
यू कैन
other
सिलेक्ट
current
हेयर
assets, and again here, where is your prepaid?
प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस,
Prepaid
टाइप
expenses.
इंश्योरेंस.
Wait. Oh, why it is showing something? Okay. So the prepaid expenses. Okay, and here you can type health insurance, and that becomes sub account
कुड यू
of
प्लीज
prepaid
इंश्योरेंस, द
insurance.
लोअर वन. यस.
Okay, that's save and close. We'll see the effect in a chart of account also. I mean in a balance sheet. Yeah, in balance sheet also for this. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you can save and close. Please open the P&L. And what the transaction number was this? 13. Shall we stop with 13, Priyanka, today? Because I knew Mr. Ajit got confused a lot with the just 13 transaction. Because there are so many things to create a new product, a new setup of inventories and everything.
नेक्स्ट टाइम आप स्क्रीन इसको देना, साई रामन चौधरी को.
Yeah, he has ordered a new laptop. So tomorrow he's supposed to get it. So by the Monday, he's gonna do this. He's a silent shooter, so don't worry.
यस,
he,
कंप्लीटली साइलेंट.
he is on mute mode as of now.
From last 3 class, I've not been able to hear or see this person, but he's attending.
Yeah. So where it is? You have opened profit and loss. We are not going with the profit and loss,
No,
Mr.
it
Ajit.
is a balance sheet item.
It's a
Prepaid
balance sheet
expense
item,
is
na?
an asset, na?
You only asked me to open profit and loss. That's why
Sorry.
you asked me to open P&L, sir. That's why
Sorry, that's my mistake. You need to open actually that balance sheet.
Here it is.
Got it? So
Yes.
this is how it looks like. So everyone, Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Ajit, Priyanka, and Mr. Javed. So I hope this 13 transactions, but
Yes,
it
sir.
looks like 30 transactions. But we to go with first transaction. So first one was equity transactions, where we have created equity accounts and owner's contribution, and then we
Yes.
record the transaction economic. And purchase office supplies of 1500. So we have recorded bill of that. Then rent payment of office space. So we have recorded through check. I mean, we through expense. Now then receive 500 from a customer for service rendered. So we have recorded sales receipt for this is cash shell. Then pay 500 utility bills. We have recorded through expense. So direct expense debit and bank credit. Then purchase equipment of was 10,000, paying 4,000 in cash and rest on credit. So for this transaction, we have recorded bill of $10,000 and make the payment with 4,000 in cash, and the rest of the balance 6,000 was showing in vendor's account. Then we have
Javed,
recorded
have you created the charter of account?
Yes.
Is this your first class or it is?
it's a third or fourth, right?
Plus.
Yeah. Okay.
So have you created the chart of account?
No, not till.
So tomorrow can you join? I have to create also the chart of account. We will create it together. It will be helpful.
Of course.
So please do let me know your availabilities. So we'll create.
Just drop me a message and I'll create a Zoom meeting for you guys. So more than 45 minutes, you can continue with the Zoom meeting.
Please guys share your number in the chat so that I can save and create.
Sure.
Sure.
So
I'm
let me
sharing
continue.
mine. Please save it.
Let me continue with this one also. Purchase equipment with 10,000, so we have recorded bill of 10,000. Then payment of 4,000 we recorded through bill payment, and 6,000 was showing in vendor balance. Now record depreciation expense of 1,000 for equipment, so we have recorded depreciation debit expense debit and accumulated depreciation credit with $1,000. Then pay 3,000 for employee salaries. So we have recognized salary and wages is a part of payroll expenses. Okay, so we have recorded to salary expense debit and bank credit. We receive an invoice of 2500 from vendor for inventory purchases. So in this regard, we have created a new inventory and also learn what is a reorder point. Correct, guys? I hope it is clear now. Reorder point level, how to calculate it. And accordingly, we have created new inventory. There are sales details also, and at the same time for the purchase details also. And we have recorded this transaction. Now, record customer payment of 754 service to be recorded in next month. So we have recorded this payment as a bank deposit, uh, and it is showing under the customer center as a negative balance. Now, when we go with the advanced transaction, so it is showing record of the purchase of vehicle. So we have recorded fixed asset worth 20K and made payment of 5,000 against that 20K. And rest of the amounts we have received through finance company. So we have created a loan payable account under the balance sheet, and we have first of all make a bank deposit for the 15K, and we have make the payment of vendor bill with the 15K. Then issue a refund of 200 to the customer to return goods. So in order to record this transaction, we have used return receipts. So using that, we have just record the transaction. Pay 200 for insurance for the next 6 months. So we have recorded this transaction to the prepaid expense under health insurance, just for knowledge purpose. Okay, so these are the transactions which we have covered, and which that was a good one. Everything. I hope you guys understand all the transactions which I have just gone through with them. That was the summary of our 1.5 hour. Is it good?
It's good, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
also one thing,
Yeah.
I will do QuickBooks accounting on Monday or think
You will be
on
available.
Monday or Wednesday. Not a problem to mention.
No, Monday,
Yeah.
Monday,
I
Wednesday, or
I will
Friday.
get my
We have
laptop.
these 3 days.
Yeah.
And Mr. Javed,
Monday or Wednesday I will do.
yeah. Mr.
Yes,
Javed,
sir.
everything is clear?
Sir,
or you have
till
doubts?
everything is not clear, but I will try.
Why you are a chartered accountant? Please don't say like everything is not clear. Okay, once you create the chart of accounts, okay, then you will realize so many things. And after the
Uh,
I'm damn
it
sure
will
you
just
are.
last two videos. Then after
Uh-huh.
that, right.
Oh, yeah, I have shared videos with you. Okay, okay, yeah. Please go through with that.
Yeah.
And what's the temperature in Jammu as
Yeah.
of now? Is it minus or is it 2 or 3?
Almost 3.
3. That's lucky guy, we can say. We have here 28 plus. Okay
तो
then.
shall we leave?
Yeah, प्रियंका जी आपको भूख लगी? I know you are
नहीं
hungry.
भूख नहीं लगी है मुझे, मैं थक गई हूँ एक्चुअल में.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, that was a wonderful session with all of you.
Okay.
I'll share
Javed, I'll ping you on WhatsApp. If you are available tomorrow, we can join and create a chart of account.
Yes, I am available. I will.
Okay. I
Okay
saved
then.
your number. I'll ping you on WhatsApp tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank